My name is Muhammad Waqas. I am from the UK. So I have come to Turkey to get a hair transplant. So I've started having the hair receding or losing my hair issue back in 2013 when I was doing my accountancy studies and the job pressures came along. So I've lost a considerable amount of hair over the years, and I've been thinking about getting a transplant for quite some time, but I was hoping to leave it till I'm close to 38 to 40 and sort of get it, get it quite close to the time. So we've come to Turkey because we've heard firstly that Turkey is a hub, or Istanbul effectively is a hub of hair transplant. You've got so many choices here in terms of different sort of clinics offering services from FUE to DHI. So we've done our research back in the UK from portals like Instagram, Facebook, and different review websites like TripAdvisor. So we've come to a conclusion that Smile Hair Clinic is, not just sort of offers a very good service compared to the others. Your prices are very competitive. The examples or your case studies or the people who've had treatment done here, their experience has been very good. So you've got video blogs on your Instagram channel where people talk about their experiences, and they've got great things to say about this. And this is a great testimony in itself, that you had people who've posted their story after 12 months of their procedure, which means that they've had a very good time, and their treatment went really well, and they've seen a success with their hair, or the type of hair they wanted after their surgery. So yeah, we are here at Smile Hair Clinic today. So we arrived here 2 days ago. We are staying at a hotel very close to the clinic, which was suggested by our lovely case manager.
What we will do is, I will just stick to the hairline you already have, okay? You are too young there.
That was only 8 years ago.
Yeah, but 8 years is a good number. 8 years ago, I was 34.
Yeah.
Okay, do you accept that? Because it means that I'm extracting more hair from your donor zone. It's very good right now, okay? In the future, you may lose these ones too. And then we will use that donor zone again.
Oh, okay. So then you can't use that donor zone again?
No, we will.
Oh.
But in the end, okay, it's not limitless. It has a limit.
Fine, okay.
Okay, so you have to decide that now. And maybe in the second one too, you will have a very good result, okay?
Yeah.
In the end, if you lose them again, okay,
Yeah.
you may have a problem. We will increase.
And there's general thinning here.
Yes.
Perfect.
I was discussing that we will do dense incisions here and then increase the existing density of the hair.
Hi guys, hi everyone. So I've just had my consultation done, and I'm ready to go with my actual treatment itself, which will involve sort of various different stages from incision to extraction to incision, and then sort of the planting of the hair. So yeah, it'll probably last about between 6 to 8 hours. So I'm nervous, but very excited to hopefully see the results at the end. So yeah, wish me luck. Thank you.
Afternoon, everyone. I'm just towards the close of my treatment today. So the guys are planting the final grafts in my head. It has been a long day. The session is quite long, broken into various different parts. But yeah, right towards the end, and it is painful, I must admit, but there's no pain without, there's no gain without pain. But yeah, the experience overall has been absolutely amazing. The guys are so helpful here. They've took a very good care of me, and I can't thank them more. Thank you so much.
Hi viewers, my name is Waqas and I am from the UK. I have come to Smile Hair Clinic at Istanbul to get my hair transplant done. As I mentioned in the previous videos, I've heard great feedback about the clinic, and which is why I chose the clinic here, and I made the decision along with a couple of friends from the UK. So overall, our experience has been absolutely amazing. The staff here from the start, from the consultation, all the way, from the initial information passing back in November last year to all the way for the treatment, everything has been so smooth. I look quite different on my day third, which is absolutely normal to expect because some people get the swelling as a side effect, but that goes within 3 to 4 days. So yes, I'm very lucky with my results. I've been told that I've had over 5,700 grafts that have been taken out because my donor area was very strong, and they've managed to plant on my head, and I've been promised that my results are going to be very good. So yeah, I've been very pleased so far, and I'm very looking forward to how the end results are going to come through. Obviously, there's a lot of precautions after this, and we've been, again, the clinic have covered everything in so much detail. Even the session today, the main doctor has been here and he's gone through all of the do's and don'ts which we need to do to get the best results alongside the hair transplant, because the treatment isn't the only thing, it's the actual hair care following that. So yes, very happy, and thank you to all the staff here, from the media team and from the doctors and the nurses here. Everybody is great. The hotel, there is nothing to fault, and I am super pleased with my experience, and I wish these guys all the best of luck, and I hope they're going to do great here. Thank you very much.